Hello students, this is Indrani Mathematics for chapter number 2 numbers and sequences la exercise 2.8 sum number 3 பார்க்கலாம். Find the first term of the GP. First term means A, whose common ratio is 5 na, R value is given it as 5 and whose sum to first 6 terms is 46,872. Sum to 6 terms means S6. S6 value is nothing but 46,872. Okay. So, by using this R value and S6 value, we want to find out first term A. Okay. Now, what is here given? R value 5. S6 sum of 6 terms, that is S6 is 46,872. So, the formula for Sn is A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. You can take this one or 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R also. Both are one and the same only. Okay. So, I am taking this value for Sn. So, Sn, we know this value. Substitute n is equal to 6. You will get S6. Same time, you substitute the value for R also 5. So, here is A. It is unknown. We want to find out. R is nothing but 5. 5 power n. N is nothing but 6. Minus 1 divided by 5 minus 1. Okay. That is equal to 46,872. So, A into 5 power 6 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 6 times we should multiply. Minus 1 whole divided by 5 minus 1 is 4. That is equal to 46,872. That is A into this value is 15,625 minus 1 is 15,624. Whole divided by 4, that is equal to 46,872. Divide it, you will get 7,812 by 2. Again by 2 you divide it, you will get 3,906. A into that value equal to 46,872. So, A is equal to 46,872 by 3,906. If you divide directly, you will get 12. Or if you get any difficulty in this one, I started dividing by 2 first. So, divided by 2, you will get this value. Okay. Again, I am dividing by 2 is not possible because 3 is here. Divided by 3, you will get 651. Here you divide it by 3, you will get this value. Again, you divide it by 3, you will get this value and this one. Now, 2,604, I am dividing by 217. So, one time you are getting 217, remaining is 43. 4 you can bring it down. So 434 is 2 times. 2 times 217 is 434. Subtract it, you will get the answer is 0. So the answer is 12. So if you divide this 2604 by 217, the answer is 12. That is nothing but the value for A. Okay. So A, you are getting A value equal to 12. So the first term is 12. Okay.